Hey guys, I want to show you this new extension pole saw from SEESII Power Tools. This thing is super cool. I'm really excited to use it. It operates two separate ways. You can use it individually, so just as a handheld, or you can attach it to this extension pole. Looking forward to pruning some trees with it. These are all the accessories it comes with. It has the extension pole. It does work individually as just a hand saw. It comes with gloves, 2 batteries, a charger, an extra chain, some safety glasses, a little brush for cleaning off debris, and then the tool to adjust the chain and replace it if you need to. It also comes with this shoulder strap around and take a lot of that weight off your shoulders. This extension pole is really easy to extend. Just release the latch, pull it out, snap it back into place. It has 2 of them here. Extend that out, and this gets a really long reach. And all you do, slide it into place, add your battery, slides in nice and easy, and you're ready to go. I've already added some oil, some bar chain oil to the saw itself. We're going to take you out in the yard and trim up some trees. Let's check it out. I absolutely love this chainsaw. This thing cuts in seconds. It has the protective gate on here. Easy to prime the oil, replace the chain, refix the chain. It's super easy to tighten. Some of these other brand pole saws have different connections. These are just a matter of releasing, and it stores right in itself. So you don't have to go looking for your other parts. Everything is right here contained in one. This also has multiple angles. So if you need to dip it down a little bit, you can actually tilt at a different angle. So you can go more at a 90-degree as opposed to straight on here. This is a great product. Check it out. I'm going to go ahead and cut down some more limbs.